versus Toyota. Push by for Toyota. Number 26, Nonoy Silveres. Number 16, Chicken Joy Bantilan. Number 10, Kayako. Number 27, Jobel Encarnacion. And number 8, Boise. Push by for Tropang Hera. Number 42, Sultan. Number 26, Pestaño. Number 9, Tiana. Number 2 is Nani. And number 34, Elago. Tuck in tayo mga idols. Tuck in tayo, tuck in. Ayun, kamayan tayo mga idols. Ayan. Okay, let's begin our second game. Maglalaro, hindi kasali, damdamin. Ayun na, Tiana. Pass to Pestaño. Ayun na, it's Nani Jake. The blue terrace field coming from is Nani Bordeaux. Ayun na, Boise. Offensive foul na hindi na kay Boise, number 8. Boise personal foul. Ayun na, Tiana. Pass to Sultan. Ganda ng assist, Elago. Ang sumablay. At ayun lang. Bola sinsim. 11 to shoot. Ayun na, Tiana. Pass to Elago. Back to Tiana. Sultan, open. 5. Ayun, traveling. Ayun na, Encarnacion. Pass to Boise. Open. Sumablay, Bantilan. Oh, may foul from behind. Ayun, number 42. Sultan, the king. First personal foul. Second team foul. The first team foul pa lang. Ayun, Sablay, Lago for the rebound, and Kayako. Pass to Bantilan. Pass to Silveres, 10. And Encarnacion na yun, natapon ng sabaw. 8 minutes and 32. Ayun na, Tiana. Pestaño. Pull up. Sumablay, kaya ako for the rebound. Pass to Encarnacion. Ayun na, pass to Bantilan. Sumablay. Tiana for the rebound. And Tiana. Ayun na, Encarnacion. Back to Silveres. Back to Encarnacion. Traveling. Tiana. Itinawad. Open for 3. Sumablay. Rebound Silveres. Pass to Encarnacion. Take. And from Sablay. Encarnacion ulit. Basket count coming from Encarnacion. 7 minutes 28 seconds. The score deadlock at 2. Diana Itinawed. Pass to Sultan. Open for 3. Suma Blay and Pestaño for the rebound. 10. Pestaño running shot sa Blay. Nani pass to Ilago for 2. Assist coming from Nani. Ayun na. Ayun lang. Nakatalikod. Puso nyo ate. Puso nyo. Ayun na. Tiana. To Sultan. For 3. Suma Blay. And Boise for the rebound. Pass Encarnacion. Ayun na. Pass replay. Bantilan. Erase. Oh, nice defense coming from Sultan. The King.
Hindi naman pumasok eh. Shoot ba? Wala naman na shoot eh. Wala. Nanalo ka eh. Wala na shoot. Walang na shoot.
Ayun na, Sablay. Rebound, Ilago. And pass to Pestaño. Back to Isnani. Isnani dribbling the ball. Pass to Sultan. Pass to Pestaño. Fake. Isnani for 3. Suma Blay. Rebound. Yun from behind. Foul number 8. Boise. Second personal foul. Holding. Second team foul. 14 to shoot. Pestaño. Pull up. It's good. Ayun na, Encarnacion. Itinawid. Paso sa Liberas. Suma Blay. Sultan for the rebound. Ayun lang, napaganda pa. So Liberas for 2. He scored 6-4 in favor of Tropang Hera. Tiana open. For 3. Suma Blay and Kayako for the rebound. Pass to Siliberes. Ayun na, Bantilan. Basket count coming from Bantilan for 2. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Starting game clock is Nani. 4-10 to shoot. Sultan. Oh, Suma Blay and Encarnacion. Ayun na. Nice D coming from Isnani. Substitution. Ayun na, Bantilan. Open. Ayun na. Tiana. Oh, alam na this is not there for sure. 8-6 ang ating score. And Encarnacion doing the ball. Nabitiwan. Pestaño, ayun na. Is Nani. Time out! Toyota.
Hindi na-shoot. Hindi. Wala, tinitingnan namin. Wala naman na. Yan, lakas ko lang. Ano? Hindi, walang shot com.
Back to the ball game. Score 10-6 in favor of Tropang Hera.
Pasok na! Sapa!
Ayun na, Cortez. 18 with. Paso Reyes. Paso Vallejo. Back to Singgon. Back to Vallejo. Pull up. Jumping. It's good. Nilinis pa yung ring. Ayun na, Lanoy. Driving the ball. Paso Sultan. Portrait. Sumablay. Rebound Singgon. Paso Cortez. And Cortez driving the ball. Ayun na, Singgon open. Jawari. Porten to shoot. Singgon. Paso Vallejo open. Portrait. Sumablay. Rebound. Tapikan. Jawari. Paso Reyes. 10. And Cortez. Portrait. Sumablay. Pestaño for the rebound. Ayun na. Estani driving the ball. Estani lilipad. Estani. Border. Ayun na. Cortez. Itinawad. Paso Reyes. Ayun. And one. Basket count. Foul number 9. Substitution. Tiana ang foul. Tiana. First personal foul, second team foul.
Makakaya ka, ikaw naman ito makakaya, paano eh.
Bonus shot.
Ikaw naman makapado eh.
Palo mo.
Ito lang ito yung nandun.
So Lanoy for the rebound pass to Atapon. And Atapon driving the ball. Pass is Nani. There's Daniel. To Atapon, 14 to shoot. Ayun, bola sa team. 11 to shoot. 11 to shoot. Atapon receiving the basket. And Pestaño pull up. Sumablay. Rebound. Jawari. And Jawari doing the ball. Jawari pa rin. Ayun na. Pass to Reyes. Oy, traveling. Atapon. 2 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Starting game block. Pass is Nani. It's Nani. Pass to Lanoy. Lanoy to Atapon. 10 to shoot. Atapon fake. Pass to Alauya. 5. And tumama sa ring. Good ball yan. Pestaño. Ayun lang. Sablay. And Cortez. And one. Basket count. Foul number 3. Lanoy. 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. He scored deadlock at 12. Lanoy first personal foul. Third team foul. And Cortez for the bonus shot.
Sana matapos na to.
Basket. James Favor. Toyota leading by a half shot. Atapon. Pass is Nani. Portrait. Sumablay. Jawari for the rebound. And Jawari pass to Cortez. Cortez. Pass to Reyes. Ayun, nabitiwan. Good ball yan. Lanoy. Ayun na. Atapon. Atapon. Sumablay. Pero merong foul. Ay tinawag kay Singgon. Number 13. First personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws for Atapon. Unang tiro sa blind kami from Atapon. Last throw. They scored 13-12 in favor of Toyota. 1 point lead. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining. Ang basket, deadlock at 13 ang ating score. Tie game at 13. Ayun ang Cortez. Pass to Vallejo, open. Pass to Jawari. Ayun, still. Ayun na. Nice. None. Boto. Ayun na. Lamang na ulit ang tropang Hera ng 2 points. And Chingon, pass to Vallejo for 3. Sumablay. Lanoy for the rebound. Pass to Dapon. Pass to Isnani. Back to Dapon. And back pass to Isnani. Alula. Dudukot Sablay. Rebound Reyes. And Reyes pass to Jawari. Jawari taking the ball. Pass to Singon. Pass to Reyes. Toward Singon for 3. Sumablay and rebound Reyes. And 10. Cortez. Pass to Jawari, open. Sumablay, Pestaño for the rebound. And meron tayong pushing foul. Ay tinawag kay number 24, Cortez. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 37 seconds. Adapon. Pass to Isnani. 14. Ayun is Pestaño, back to Isnani. The floater is good. 21 seconds. 18. 14 seconds remaining. 10. 5. Vallejo, Sablay, and Reyes for the putback. And that's the end of the first quarter. Score 17-15 in favor of Tropang Hera. 2-point lead.
Labang po ang Tropang Hera. 17-15. Toyota 15. Shoutout po sa mga 34,000 na nanonood. Paki-share lang po yung ano natin live. Hindi ko naman kayo maano tig-isa. Pasensya na po. Pasensya. Paki-share lang po yung live natin.
Okay, back to the ball game. Depensa kayo, Tropang Hera. Bola ng Toyota.
Second quarter na po.
Bola ng Toyota. Ayaw, magandang gabi po mga kabayan. Maluwag po yung upuan para hindi po kayo mangalay. Pwede pong maupo sa bleacher. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Apo. Maluwag po yung bleacher. Pwede po kayong maupo. Apo. Para hindi po kayo mangalay dyan na nakatayo. Pwede po kayong maupo. Maluwag po yung mga upuan natin. Ayan po. Upo po kayo para po hindi po kayo mangalay dyan. Ayan. Vallejo for 3. Sumablay. Soliveres for the putback. Sablay. And Soliveres back to Vallejo. Sablay. Ayun na. Adapon. Pass to Isnani. Isnani for 3. Sumablay. And Godoy pass to Soliveres. Back to Godoy. Back to Silveres, back to Godoy, at meron ng foul. Parang may pasahan yung dalawa dun. Foul number 30, andog. First personal foul, first team foul. And 2 free throws for Godoy. Nang tira sa Blay, last throw. Ayun, Sablay, Pestaño for the rebound. And Adapon. Esnani for 3. Sablay. Bantilan. Pass to De La Cruz. Ayun na. Vallejo lilipan. Basket count. He scored deadlock at 17 at the phone. Pass to Esnani. Ganda ng cut. Andog open. Sumablay. And Silvera stealing the ball. Pass break play. Ayun na. Bantilan. Sumama sa puti. Substitution. Palit-palit. Ayun na. Godoy open. Overshoot. Silvera for the putback. At meron ng foul. Ay tinawag kay number 21. Alauya first personal foul. Second team foul. Unang tira pasok. Lastro. Ang basket. 100% shooting from the free throw line coming from Silveras. At the phone. He scored 19-17 in favor of Toyota. 4-3. Bang! At the phone! 4-3. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gandor Company. Our major sponsor right now, General. Basket count. At the phone, dribbling the ball. 14. Esnani for 3. Sumablay. Ayun lang. And Vallejo. Angat. Laser in for 2. Ano ba ang Vallejo? 23-20. 3-point lead at the phone. Pass of Estanyo. At the phone, Oven. Ayun na. Ganda ng assist. Sumablay. Solveres for the rebound. Ayun na. And Alauya for the steal. Agaw ko to, sabi ni Alauya. Ayun na, Pestanyo. Sablay. Solveres for the rebound. Pass General. And meron ng foul. Ay tinawag kay Andog. Number 30. Substitution. Andog, second personal foul. Third team foul. Ada pun. Ang papalitan. Ang papalitan. Ang sinasabi ko, Paul, ano ka na naman? Hindi, ang sinasabi ko, Paul. Kunin muna natin yung foul. Wala ang ano yung papalitan. Unang tiro Sablay, Lastro. Ayan, Sablay. Kanina yung meta sa ending, pinapasablay yung tira. Hindi talaga alam niya na talagang sablay yung ano yung bitaw. Okay na. Esnani. 12. Alauya. Ganda ng assist. Sumablay. Foul number 30. From behind. Sino? 30 ng puti. O, di dito bola. Ay, ano ka eh. Nahanap ko sa blue yung 30. Warning for penalty. De La Cruz dribbling the ball. Vallejo open. Bang! Rebound! Tropang Hera.
Score po natin. Tropang Hera. 20 Toyota 25.
Ayun na, Lauya, turnaround shot. Sumablay, Ilago, angat. At meron ng foul. Ay tinawag kay number 71, Godoy. First personal foul. And 2 free throws for Ilago. Unang tiro pusok. Lastro. And Supply, General for the rebound. Ayun na, still coming from Esnani. Esnani driving the ball. Ayun na, good ball yan, Lauya. Ayun na, Ilago. Uy, pinasa pa. Oh. Foul number 6, General. First personal foul. Second team foul. 14 to shoot. Pass ball yun, pass ball. Ayan ang Sarmiento. Offensive foul. Illegal hook. Sarmiento, first personal foul. Offensive. Pero penalty na yung penalty na. Ayan na, Godoy. To General, open. Sumablay, Ilago for the rebound. Pass is Nani. Nani, oh, still from the veteran, De La Cruz. And De La Cruz, pass to Vallejo. For 2. Ayun lang, oh. And De La Cruz. Oh, Silveras. Basket count. 30-21, 9-point lead. Biglang lumobo ang kalamangan. Ayun na. Ayos na na ipaso Alula. At last touch na sa palpal eh. Ayun lang, ganda ng assist na yun. Basket count. Ayun na, Sarmiento. 14, Sarmiento for 3. Sumablay, rebound De La Cruz. Silveras. Pass to Vallejo. Back to Silveras, open. Ayun na, Godoy. To Vallejo, to Wolf. Ayun, Sablay, Sarmiento for the rebound. 5 minutes and 5. Sarmiento for 3. Kapos. And Silveras leaving the ball. Pass to Godoy for 2. Thirty-four 21. Oh. 14. Ilago. Basket count coming from Ilago. Walang tawag, baba. Ganun lang yun. Sanay nga kayo sa hera ng Kaldagan eh. Tapos dito, iyak-iyak kayo. Basket count coming from Godoy for 2. 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Here's Nani. Ganda ng pasa na yun. Ilago, Sablay. And General driving the ball. 4-2 situation. Ayun na. Vallejo. Bordeaux. Ayun na, Sarmiento. Itinawad. 4-10 to shoot. Pass to Ilago, open. Basket count coming from Ilago. And De La Cruz. Receiving the basket. 38-25. Pass to General. And running shot is good. Time out. Tropang Hera.
Score po natin, Tropang Hera. 25, Toyota 40. Natambakan po sila.
Back to the ball game. Michael Patino, nandiyan ka ba? Michael Patino. Ayun na, Isnani. Paso Sarmiento. Ayun, still. And General pass to Boise. Pass to Encarnacion. Back to Boise. Ayun na, step back. And Sablay, rebound. And Pestaño passes Isnani. Isnani passes Sultan Dakeng. For three. Sumablay. And Encarnacion drilling the ball. Pass to General. Bibit-bit. Kapos. And tabigan na yun. Tapon sa baw. Substitution. Ayun ang Tiana. Pass to Sarmiento, open for three. Sumablay and Boise for the rebound. Pass to Encarnacion. Back to Boise. Ayun, ganda ng assist. Jawari for two. Ayun ang Tiana. Pass to Isnani. Isnani for three. Sumablay. Body-body lang yan. Body-body lang. Pero wag mo ano yung sa mukha. Sige, dito tayo.
Number 16.
Foul number 16.
Okay. Hindi ang foul. Number 16.
Foul number 16. Anspo. Palitan mo. Labas mo. Kahit di niya ilabas, palalabasin ko din eh. Basket. Basket pa rin. Ball possession ng puti yan. Ball possession ng puti. Fourth in the shoot. Ayun ang Sultan. Paso Tiana. 4-3. Sumablay and Sarmiento for the putback. It's good for two. 42-29. And Cortez throwing the ball. Pass to Encarnacion. 4-3. Bang! Encarnacion. 4-3. And Boise for two. Ayan. 47-29. Ayun na, Sarmiento. 1 minute and 30. Sarmiento. Nabitiwan. Ayun na. Encarnacion. Substitution. Meron ng foul from behind. Number 2 is Nani. Penalty. Unang tira pasok. Lastro. Ayan, Sultan for the rebound. Sultan for three. Air ball. Substitution. Exactly 1 minute remaining starting game clock. And Cortez itinuwid. Pass Encarnacion. Ayun, the floater supply. Lago for the rebound. And Sarmiento receiving the basket. For three. Bang! Sarmiento for three. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gandur Company. 48-32 ang ating score. Cortez. The floater overshoots. Zaina Ilago. Ayun lang. Sablay ang pasa. Encarnacion bibit-bit. Ayun Cortez. For two. 18 seconds. 14. 10. 7. Tiana open. Sumablay. And that's the end of the second quarter.
Score po natin. Hera. 32. Toyota 50. Mabilis to eh.
Back to the ball game. This is our third quarter. Depensa Toyota. White ball tayo, white ball. And Sultan receiving the basket, pass to Sarmiento. Sarmiento, the floater is good. And De La Cruz, pass to Silveres, back to De La Cruz. Ayan, sa mga nagugutom po, meron pong special halo-halo at barbecue. Ayun na, De La Cruz, Singgon, Sablay, and Vallejo, Sablay, Ilago, yun na, napulot pa ni De La Cruz, back pass, uy, nagkagulangan, ayun, offensive, number 10, kaya ako, paano makakahabol ang depensa? Nilak mo, daig mo pa octopus. Ayun na, Sultan, releasing the ball. Pass to Sarmiento. Fade away, sumablay. Ayun na, Oliveres. Pass to Vallejo. And Vallejo, pass to Kayako. To Oliveres, kinaliwa. Basket count. And Sultan releasing the ball. And last touch. 15 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Ayun na, Alauya por 3. Sumablay and Singgon. Pass to Vallejo. Vallejo back to Singgon. Back to Vallejo. And basket count coming from Vallejo for 2. Is Nani. Pass to Sarmiento. 14. And Sarmiento, Sablay, Ilago. And 1. Basket count. Foul number 10, Kayako. Second personal foul. Bonus shot for Ilago. Second team foul. Ayun. Natapon pa sa baw. Ayun na, De La Cruz. Saving the ball. Pass to Kayako, open. Sumablay. And Sarmiento passes Nani. It's Nani. Sablay, Singgon. Pass to De La Cruz. 3-on-2 situation. And De La Cruz fake. At meron ng foul na itinaw kay number 42, Sultan substitution. Sultan, second personal foul. First team foul. Unang tiro sa Blay, Lastro. Ayan sa Blay, and Sarmiento for the rebound. Sarmiento driving the ball, pass to Ilago. Ilago back to Sarmiento for 3. Sumablay, and Singgon is still coming from Adapon. Adapon to Sarmiento. Sablay, and Vallejo driving the ball. Vallejo pa rin. Ayun, tapikan. Silveres, pass to De La Cruz. 3 seconds violation. Adapon. 18 awed. Pass to Bustanyo, fake. Ganda ng fake. Ayun, at meron sumabay. Number 13. Number 13, Singgon. 26 into Mirajo. Substitution. In 7 minutes and 14 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ang Pestanyo shooting 2. Unang tiro pasok. Lastro. Ang basket coming from Pestanyo. 7 minutes and 14. 54-38 ang ating score. Ayun na, De La Cruz signaling the play. Paso si Liberes. Paso Singgon. Paso kay Yako. Ayun, sablay. And Pestaño dribbling the ball. Pestaño pa rin. Paso Isnani. Isnani. Paso the phone. Open. Sumablay. And De La Cruz. Ayun na. To si Liberes. And basket count. Come ground si Liberes for two. Isnani. Paso Pestaño. Ilago. And basket coming from Ilago. Ayun na, De La Cruz. He scored 56-40, 16-point lead. And De La Cruz. Singgon. Portrait. Overshoots. And Adapon drilling the ball. Passes Nani. Dilipat. Basket count. And Singgon back to De La Cruz. He scored 56-42, 14-point lead. De La Cruz. Paso si Liberes. Paso Singgon. Open. Sablay kaya ko. For the boot back. Kung kaya mo, kaya ko. Ayun na. Ayos na ni. Paso Pestaño. Adapon to Isnani. 14. The floater. Sablay. De La Cruz for the rebound. And kaya ko dribbling the ball. Paso Singgon. Singgon, paso si Liberes, back to Vallejo, Sumablay, rebound, and Adapon receiving the basket. Foul number 15, De La Cruz, timeout, Toyota.
Score po natin, Toyota. 58, Hera, 42. 16 po ang kalamangan ng Toyota.
Back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating game block. Sa ating game time. Next game po natin, battle between Shuttle Eagle versus Lucky RR. Ayun na, Adapon, Portrait. Sumablay and Pestaño fake. And from basket count, going from Pestaño for two. 58-44, 14-point lead. And boys, pass to Jawari, open for three. Sumablay. Foul number 18 ng blue. Penalty yan, penalty. Penalty rep, penalty. Two free throws for Elago. Isa pa. Wait for the release. Yung nasa loob. Ayun, basket. Coming from Milagro. 58-45, 13-point lead, 5 minutes and 4. And Cortez streaming the ball. Pass to Reyes, open. Sublime. And Jawari for the putback. Sublime. And tapikan. Ayun na, Ilago. Pass to Isnani. Pass to Adapon. 58-47. 11-point lead. Aba, tumidiget. And Cortez. Pass to Boise. Kinaliwa. Sumablay ay na Adapon. Pass is Nani. Nani pass to number 10, Sablay. And Jawari dribbling the ball. Jawari pa rin. Pass to Boise. Pass to Jawari. Open. Sumablay. Rebound. And Adapon. Ayun na. Pass is Nani. And basket down. Coming bomb is Nani for two. And 58-49, single digit na lang ang kalamangan, 9-point lead. General, nakabitiwan na inahoy. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 6, General. Substitution, Reyes out. Penalty yan, penalty. Substitution, Jawari. Substitution. And Ilago shooting two. Unang tiro sa Blay. Lastro. Ayan, basket coming from Ilago. And 58-point lead. Cortez dribbling the ball. May ball na. Foul number 30, Andog. Apat ka na. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul pa lang yan. And General open. Pull up. Sablay. Pestaño for the rebound. Pass is Nani. Nani open for three. Bang! Nani for three. 58-53. 5 na lang ang kalamangan. And Boise open. Pass to Bantilan. Sumablay. Bantilan for the putback. 60-53. 7-point lead. And Adapon. Pass is Nani. Pass to Andog. For three. Sumablay. And Bantilan for the rebound. Pass to Encarnacion. Angat. Basket down. Going from Encarnacion. And Andog dribbling the ball. 62-53. Andog. Pass to the phone. Open for three. Bang! Adapon for three. 62-56. 6-point lead. And offensive foul. Ang itinawag ay Bantilan substitution. Third personal foul. Two minutes and 31 seconds remaining at the phone. Itinawag. Adapon pa rin. Alam na kung sino nanulak. Penalty yan. Substitution. Encarnacion, first personal foul. And 2 free throws for Nani. Unang tiro sa Blay. Lastro. 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining shooting game block. A score 62-56, 6-point lead. Nothing but net coming from Nani. It's 62-57, 5 na lang. Ayun na. Encarnacion dribbling the ball. For 10. Bantilan open. Ayun na, Adapon. 64-57, 7-point lead. Adapon dribbling the ball. Pass to Bisanyo. Ayun lang. Tapigan. Natapon ng Sabaw. Ayun na, Encarnacion. Itinawid. 4-10. General open. Ayun, pass to Liberes. Pusher. And it's Nani. Itinawid. Ayun, lumalayo ulit. 66-57, 9-point lead is Nani dribbling the ball. Pass to the ball, 12 to shoot. It's Nani. Pass to Alauya. Overshoots. Rebound. Bantilan. Pass break play. Ayun na. Good ball yan. Encarnacion to Liberes. Open. Basket count. 68-57. Back to 11-point lead. Adabon. A spin move. Sumablay. Rebound. And General holding the ball. And Sumablay. Nice defense coming from Pestaño. Ayun na. Adabon. And running shot is good coming from Adapon. 48 seconds remaining. 68-59, 9-point lead. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 26, Pestaño. First personal foul, third team foul. And 2 free throws for General.
Score po natin.
Unang tira pasok, Lastro.
69-59, Toyota 69, Hera 59. Third quarter na po ito, third quarter.
Ayun, basket. 70-59, 11-point lead. Another point, winning the ball. Pass to Aluya. Pass to Pestaño. Pestaño open. Sumablay. Ayun. Bola ng puti. Bola ng puti. 13 to shoot. At the phone. Pass is Nani. Is Nani open. Sumablay. Bantilan for the rebound. And General. Pass to Liberes. Back to General. Basket count. 15 seconds. 10, 5, as Nani Putu. And that's the end of the third quarter. Score 72-61, 11-point lead.
Toyota 72. And 72-61, Hera 61, Toyota 72. End of the third quarter.
Toyota ball.
Oh, it's our last quarter. Ayun na, De La Cruz. Pass General. Pass Godoy. Sumablay. And sablay pa rin si Liberes. Vallejo, turnaround shot, sablay. Lago for the rebound. Pass to Adapon. And Adapon, ready the ball. Pass to Sultan. Yun lang. Ang lakas ang pasa. And Vallejo, ready the ball. Pass to Liberes. And General open. Sumablay. General for the putback. And basket count coming from General. Ayun na, Adapon. 18 away. Paso Isnani. Pestaño open. Paso Ilago. Ganda na ikot. Sumablay. De La Cruz for the rebound. And De La Cruz dribbling the ball. Paso Vallejo. For three. Sumablay. And Pestaño. Paso Isnani. Isnani dribbling the ball. Basket count coming from Isnani. He scored 74-63, 11-point lead. And De La Cruz, 18-awed. Suliberes open for three. Bang! Suliberes for three. Adapon. He scored 77-63, 14-point lead. And last start some blue substitution. 13 to shoot. 13 to shoot. Ayun na, Sarmiento. Paso Sultan, 10. Sultan for three. And sumablay. Ayun na, Silveres. Paso De La Cruz. Paso Godoy. Ay, akalain mo yun. Nabitiwan na lang. Na-shoot pa. Sarmiento, second personal foul, bonus shot for Godoy. Ayun. Maupo na po yung mga audience sa bleacher. Magbibigay po tayo ng free taste coming from Gandur. Gandur products. Upo na lang po doon sa bleacher yung mga Ayun na, Sultan for the rebound. Paso Sarmiento. Elago. At meron foul na dinawag kay number 6, Mineral. Third personal foul. First team foul. 16 to shoot. Russell. There's Nani. The floater is good. $79-65 by Mineral. At meron foul. Sarmiento, third personal foul. And Vallejo receiving the basket. Paso Mineral. Suliberes for three. Sumablay. Elago dribbling the ball. Pass to Isnani. Isnani back to Elago. Elago passes Isnani. Open for three. Sumablay. Ayun na. Isnani pa rin. 10. Sarmiento open for three. Sablay pa rin. Rebound. General. Last shot. Zambute. 7 minutes, 11 seconds. 79-65. 14-point lead. Ayan po, mamimigay po tayo ng Gandur products. Ayan. Ayun na, General. Pass to Godoy, open. Basket down, coming from Godoy for two. And Sultan. 5 minutes and 45. 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. It's Nani. 14 to shoot. Pestaño open. Sumablay. Elago for the rebound. Elago pull up is good. 81-67, 14-point lead. And De La Cruz. Pass to Silveras. Pass. Back to Silveras. Open. Basket count. 6 minutes and 12. Sultan. To Sarmiento. And supply rebound. Elago. 10. Pass to Sultan. Bang! Sultan for three. 83-70, 13-point lead. And De La Cruz. 18-awed. Pass to Back to De La Cruz. Good toy. Sablay. Put back by Zulibere Sablay. Lago for the rebound. And it's nothing. Ganda na kasi Sarmiento. Timeout. 83-72. 11-point lead.
Toyota 73. Hera. Fourth quarter na po to. Fourth quarter.
72.
Toy. Birthday ni Yaya. Birthday ni Yaya. Birthday ni Yaya. Birthday ni Yaya.
72, 83.
They have 14-point lead before. 14-point lead before. You make your 3-point shot, so it will become 11. Okay, back to the ball game. Ayun na, Encarnacion. Signaling the play. Passing around. Pull up jumper. Sumablay. Rebound Sultan. And Sultan dribbling the ball. Sultan pa rin. Open. For three. Sumablay. Pestaño. Pass to Sarmiento. For the boot back. Cortez. Pass to Reyes. 10. Ayun, para yung tuko. And Sultan dribbling the ball. Pass to Sarmiento. For three. Sumablay. Time out. Hera.
Score po natin. Toyota. 87. 74 po ang Hera.
Kaya ka ba yan?
Back in the ball game. 3 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. 87-74. 13-point lead.
Shout out Idol Paloka.
Ayun na, Encarnacion.
Happy viewing ka lang muna ngayon. Nasa Pilipinas ka na eh.
Paso Reyes. Ganda ng assist. Basket count. Ayun yung tinatawag na pick and roll. Pick and roll pass. 89-74.
Idol
Ayun na,
Paloka.
the phone ngayon is still. And Encarnacion. Paso General. Porter. At the phone, dribbling the ball. Pass to Sarmiento. Sarmiento, the floater supply. General for the rebound. Pass to Encarnacion. Pass to Reyes. And Reyes for two. And still coming from Cortez. Pass to Encarnacion. Oh. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 74. Substitution. At the phone, first personal foul. Oh, nandito sa blind, last throw. Substitution. Substitution. Ayan na, Dabon. Paso Sarmiento. Portre. Sumablay. Bola ng buti, bola ng buti. To walk the shoot. Ayan, basitkan kami from Sarmiento. And Encarnacion itinubad. 2 minutes and 20. 94-76. 14, Kayako. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 34. Ilago first personal foul. Warning pa lang for penalty. Warning pa lang for penalty. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Encarnacion. 10. Boise open. Sumablay. And Nadapon. Pass is Nani. It's Nani for the last 2 minutes. 94-78. Kayako. Laser in for 2. Coming from Kayako. 1 minute and 50. Bola ng Toyota. Substitution. 1 minute 48 seconds remaining. 1 minute 48, 96-78.
Score po 91-78.
Ayun na, Singgon.
91 po yung Toyota, 78 po
Pasok ko sa.
Propanghera 78, Toyota 91.
Kaya ko open. Sumablay, Lago for the rebound. Pass is Nani. 1 minute 32. Es Nani. Ang time, Sablay. Blue ball, blue ball. 1 minute 27, 96-78. Ayun na, Boise. Basket count, 98-78.
98-78, Toyota 98.
Sarmiento.
78 ang Propanghera.
Portre. Sumablay, rebound. Last touch ang blue, bola ng puti. 105 remaining.
98-78.
Next game po natin, Shuttle Eagle versus Lucky RR. Ayun na, bubukol, overshoot. And Encarnacion taking the ball. Pass to Boise. Pass to Kayako. For the 178, 50 segundos. And Nadapon. Basket count. 180 ang ating score for 39 seconds. Ayun, basket. 30 seconds. And Nadapon. Ayun na, okay na. Ay, maupo kayo, oy. Maupo kayo. Ayun, raise. And okay na. Congratulations, kamayan tayo both teams. Kamayan tayo.
0-2.
0 to, hindi ka ako dyan.
Okay, Toyota 100 to
Jason. 0.
Hera 80.
Sablay lahat. Ikaw, nanalo ka.